What is going on at ThriveCart? Josh Bartlett, the CEO of ThriveCart, has now investors in his business. $35 million was put into ThriveCart, and he's no longer the CEO. So what does that mean? Well, we're not really sure, but the people who have been using ThriveCart, including me, we all believe that soon that lifetime deal that's been there forever is probably going to be gone. Why? Well, let's talk about it. I'm Bryan Toder with PLR Ideas, where we talk about PLR, use PLR, and how to make money with PLR. And this month, when you click on the link below this video, when you get to this page, get your free ultimate PLR checklist and this month's bonus, the 101 fill-in-the-blank email subject line templates. Get both of these, get on the list, and find out how to make money with that PLR that's sitting on your computer now. Be sure to get that monthly bonus because at the end of this month, I'm going to change it again, and you'll be in the know. So ThriveCart is one of my favorite things to use in this business. This is inside my account, and I have all these products. One of my favorite things is I don't need a WordPress website with all kinds of gizmos to put up a sales page. I can use ThriveCart, and ThriveCart is quite amazing. And this is part of it. This is a sample sales page that I made up last month, and I'm selling this product. It's only $27. It has the cart, it has the bump, the whole schmeal. As a sales page, it has upsells, downsells, A/B tests, coupons, and it has an affiliate program where you can have your own affiliates to sell your own products. And the new thing is about a year and a half ago, they created Learn, which is the module for free. You can have a membership site, you could have your products as a course, and it's quite amazing. And this was all free. They gave us this, and I'm using it now to make my courses. I was using Product Dino, but this has everything in it. So it has your sales page, it has your cart, your bump, and it has your courses in one place. I love it. So seriously, I'm pretty sure that the lifetime deal will finally go away. So this is your chance. When people put a lot of money into another business, investors and venture capitalists, they really don't like lifetime deals because they want a monthly payment or a yearly payment. Why would they deal with the lifetime deal? So we're pretty sure that this will go away. So click on that link below this video. Get that. Also, forgot to mention, if you want to talk to me about PLR, affiliate marketing, how to get started in this business, how to use all these little gizmos, there is a link in the description to get my calendar, just like this. And you could talk about PLR or just about anything online related. So you get to a page like this and you find a date and you click on that, make an appointment, be there. It's the only thing I ask. Please be there. And I've talked to many people who love the fact that I'm not selling things. Seriously, I'm here to help you. Now, why am I doing that? Because I wish people would have done that with me when I started. And I do have friends who are above me in this business, and they do this for me. So I'm doing this for you. At the end of the talk, if you have any other things that maybe I can help you with, we'll talk about that. So click on that link to talk with Bryan about PLR and other stuff. And if you get ThriveCart using the link below this video, I'll give you this. This is my free book for you. It's My digital product creation secrets, how to turn your ideas into profitable digital products. It's what I'm doing. It's what you should be doing. So I'm Bryan Toder with PLR Ideas, where we talk about PLR, use PLR, and how to make money with PLR. And we'll talk soon.